All right, so now we want to capture as many phone numbers as possible about an actor, and so we're going to have. Let me think this through. Who came up with a solution?
Phone, like a cell phone ID, the unique ID number for the cell phone, the cell phone number, and then the actor ID.
All right, cell phone number and actor ID. I like it. So maybe call us actor phone numbers. And we're going to have AP ID. And let me just keep my convention the same here and make that red. AP ID, actor phone number ID. And then we're going to have an actor ID. Is that what you're saying?
Right, to relate it to the actor.
Yep. And then we're just going to have a phone number, right?
Right.
Oops, I didn't do my thing right. AP ID. Oh! I don't know where my brain went. I'm all excited about Don French. AP phone number. Okay? And so now we could have, these are just going to go up sequentially, uniquely identifying each record. And then we could have actor 4, 4, 7, 4, 8, 4, 9, 1, 3, doesn't matter, whatever actor, and then we just have the phone number, right? So actor 4 is apparently addicted to phone numbers, right? Actor 4 actually has 4 phone numbers. We can store as many phone numbers as we want. How many people got that? Woohoo! How many people feel like it's starting to click a little bit? Cool. How many people, not quite clicking? Remember, your job as a student's what?
I don't know.
I don't know. Yeah. It's always looking for those places you don't know and then trying to fill them in. That's your job. So we're starting to relate data. Group related data into different piles, different tables. And then start to relate that group data. Relational database. How is it all related? It's not that bad, right? It's kind of fun. Organizing it. Bringing order to the universe. Dun 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 dun. Like that should be like the theme song when you sit down at your desk to work on databases. Like, let's go work on databases. Dun, dun, dun. No. You do realize that when you're having a good time, you learn better. It actually makes the learning go, you learn it better when you have fun. Even if it's at my expense, I will sacrifice myself for your educational benefit. No better note to end on than that one.